In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete part of a video or video clip in Filmora video editor. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So there are quite a number of ways you can do this. For instance, I have here a sticker that I added to this video clip of mine, and I like to go ahead and delete it. To delete a video clip, just go ahead and click on the video clip that you want to delete. Here I have two timelines, so I want to delete this on the second timeline. So once you have just clicked on it, go ahead and click on backspace key on your keyboard to delete it. Sometimes you may want to first cut a video clip and then delete it, or part of a video clip on your track and then delete it. For instance, I may want to split this first before I can delete the last part. To do so, just use this cutting tool here. If you click on the scissors, it will go ahead and split this into two. So I like to delete this part, and all I need to do is to go ahead and click on it and then click on backspace to delete it. Alternatively, you can just go ahead and click on it and use the delete option or function that is available in Filmora. If I click on it, it will also be deleted. So that's how you can delete a video clip or part of video clip in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.